Okay, students, here's number 7A. I think I helped you out with problems before, but I don't know if you guys can do this quite yet. It might be quite the jump to do this on the test. So I'm going to help you out with problems number 7A and B. So problem 7A asks us to make a rectangle with these dimensions. That means this is going to be the length, and this is going to be the width. Or it could be the other way around, depending on what you want, okay? So if this is the length of the rectangle, we can say here's the length, and here's the width. So this is going to be x, because that's what it says right there. That's the width is x. And this is the length, so it's going to be 2 x's and 2 1's, okay? So that's going to be our rectangle, and this x should be a square, and this x should be another square. Then this is going to be a 1's thing and another 1's thing. And then we have to decide what the area is inside of this. So this is going to be x squared, this is going to be x squared, this is going to be x times 1, which is x, and another x. Okay, so that's just how you make the rectangle, because that's the x. This would be simplified to 2x plus 2 for this width. Okay, and this is the length for this width over here is going to be x. And so we can look at this as two different things for the area. We can look at it as this being the area, or we can say it's equal to x squared plus x squared plus x plus x, which is the same as combine these like terms there and combine these like terms, and we end up with 2x squared plus 2x. And that's all. We're done with that problem. This is your equivalence equation. Okay, let's take a look at B now. B has this as dimension and this is another dimension, so let's look at length and width here. So the length has x plus 1, so we're going to write an x and we're going to write a 1 over here. And this one has x, y, and 1. So this x is going to be a certain square here. And this 1 is going to be, oh, I should have written right here, just along this side here. It's going to come down all the way to this 1. Okay. Then we can see that this here is going to be a y right there. This length is going to be y. It's going to be longer than x because x and y are different numbers. We don't know if they're the exact same number or not. Okay. So this would be coming over here. Make sure you make all these things rectangles so that all your lines go all the way up and down, all the way left and right. So now we can start filling in the areas and what they are. This one here is x squared. X times y for this square would be xy. This rectangle here would be x times 1, which is x. Y times 1, which is y. X times 1, which is x. And 1 times 1, which is 1. So now we can add all these together and have x squared plus x plus y plus x y plus x plus 1. And then if there are any like terms like these two, we can combine them and get x squared plus 2x plus y plus xy plus 1. And this is equal to the first thing that we had over here, x plus 1 times by x plus y plus 1. I ran out of room over here. Sorry about that. And that's all you have to do for problem number 7A.